welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for Twix Ice Cream. Funnily enough, someone had gifted us like a big package of like 10 bars of Twix. They're like, what in the world can we do with that? And then I suggested making ice cream out of it, and the girls were so excited. This is really a very simple recipe, so let's get started.
Not too many ingredients today. We need 2 cups or 400 milliliters of heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, 1 can or 497 grams of caramel sweetened condensed milk. The caramel version is optional, but I thought it paired well with Twix. 4 bars of Twix chopped in pieces. I started out whipping the whipping cream to soft peaks. I basically only wanted it to be a bit thicker. Our goal is not to whip it to perfectly thick. It is very important, however, that it not get overbeaten, so less is more. Then fold in vanilla and sweetened condensed milk. Then I chopped the Twix bars into chunks and folded them into the ice cream mixture. Then I poured the mixture into sealable plastic containers and freeze it for at least 4 hours. Once the ice cream is set up with no churning necessary, scoop it into a bowl. Look at those gorgeous chunks of Twix. This ice cream is lovely, creamy, and full of chunks of candy bars. Perfect for summer. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.